Good morning, everyone. My name is George Svagerra with Orion Advisor Services. I oversee sales for the Southwest Territory. I'm based in Phoenix. I'm just going to go through about 7 minutes of who Orion is, what we do, kind of what we focus on as a company, and when we're working with advisors. So we are based in Omaha, Nebraska. We also have a couple different offices in Seattle and the Long Island locations to help with servicing those different time zones. And we're basically a portfolio accounting solution, and we work primarily with RIAs. We have approximately 650 individual RIAs that we work with and partner with to provide them with reporting and back office support. And we're starting to evolve more into the broker-dealer space to help with some of that account aggregation, as well as more consolidated and comprehensive reporting for their clients. So we're starting to work more with broker-dealers and their IARs as well, so hopefully you'll start to see us a little bit more in that space. I wanted to take just a few minutes to go through some of our core services. If you could, is there a clicker up here? Got it. Boom, look at that. This is probably hard to read, so I'll just go through some of the high-level ones. Kind of at its base, and this is the least thrilling and exciting subject to talk about, is data aggregation and reconciliation. That's really the foundation of everything that we do. So we're bringing data in from different custodians, different data aggregation sources, other places for reporting as well, and putting it really all in one data hub. And that really benefits the advisor in a couple different ways. It puts everything in one spot. And it also allows them to take that data out and integrate it with other solutions very seamlessly and behind the scenes without a lot of intervention on your end. So built on top of that, doing the data download, the tax lot accounting, ad hoc performance reports, web-based APIs, historical data conversion is another big one that we offer. So taking your data out of past systems, putting it into your current system, and being able to use it from there. So that's kind of the foundation and the basis of our solution, and then really the benefits and the thrilling part of it, I guess, so to speak, is everything that comes after that for you, the advisor. The ability to create custom statements, create custom quarterly statements, outsource a lot of your billing functionality, your trading functionality, composite reports, SEC audit support, a lot of that stuff that comes with the back office that takes a lot of time that you really don't want to focus on. So I'm going to touch on, just like I said, 3 of our main topics. Reporting is the big one. So we've tried to take the stance there that we want to be able to provide you with tools to provide custom reporting to your clients. And that could be for all your clients, for specific clients, really make that flexible to be able to put your branding on that report, put the information on the report that's going to be most relevant to that client, and be able to distribute that very seamlessly to your clients as well. So the benefit there is you're not really using the custodial statements per se. You're using a statement that you've built with the story that you want to tell and the elements that you think are important when you're talking to your clients or they're looking at their account. I'll talk about accessibility here in a minute. Advisory fee billing, again, not the most thrilling topic, but it is a big time consuming process for advisors at the end of the quarter. Being able to house all your fee schedules, your one-off billing information like credits, reoccurring adjustments, financial planning fees, etc. Housing that all in one system, and then using the services that Orion provides to calculate that quarterly fee, generate the fee file that you can then take to your custodian to collect those fees, and then most importantly probably is creating the client invoice or the advisory fee detail, showing your clients how were they billed, what accounts was it collected from, etc. Also comes a ton of flexibility with that as well. You may not think of it, but being able to charge different accounts, being able to link accounts, having parents pay for children's accounts or adult children account. A lot of flexibility that comes with this that a lot of people live in spreadsheets and are maintaining different tabs and VLOOKUPs and all the good stuff that comes with that. So trying to make that process more end-to-end, more outsourced, more efficient. Secondly, trade order management. This is a huge topic. We always kind of tongue-in-cheek talk about once you've met one RIA, you've met one advisor, you've really met one RIA or one advisor. The trade order management and trading really is a good illustration of that. Everyone seems to do it a little bit differently. They focus on different things. So we're trying to give as much flexibility, as much options to our advisors as possible. So we have native trading solutions that allows advisors to build accounts, rebalance the accounts tied to those, create models, rebalance the accounts that are tied to those models, and do that very efficiently, very effectively, send those off to the custodian to execute the trades. And then for advisors that want to become more complex, there's a couple different ways they can go. They can start to sleeve out accounts and build out different basic sub-accounts in one custodial account and manage these different sleeves completely independently from one another, report on them differently, bill on them differently, generate composite reporting on them differently. So it really makes an efficient kind of unified managed account really in Orion using the sleeve technology. And then on the other side, we have integrations with a lot of trading solutions, our deepest being with TRX, that allows you to do household level rebalancing, location optimization of assets, tax sensitive trading, those types of things. So those are kind of some of the core, I guess, advisor functionality that I like to talk about. The next one is the other side, really kind of implementing more effective communication to your clients and the client engagement tools that we have. And we're a little unique in our approach, one being with our client portal. So everyone has a client portal, and there's a lot of different solutions out there that really want to own the client portal, own that client experience. What we've tried to do is try to push it out to the community as a whole. So the industry should really own the client portal. We went open source with all of our code, so we've given it to our different integration partners so that they can go in there and program functionality, iframe their screens in, program their screens in right into our client portal to try to make it that cohesive client experience. So we've got some great integrations with a lot of the technologies in this room that we can show you at our booth there if you guys are interested in taking a look at that. But the main thing here is to allow clients to log in, see their information very quickly, see it on screen. It's dynamic. They can change it. They don't have to run a static report every time they want to see information. And then also to get that quarterly statement that I mentioned. Let's see. We'll wrap it up. The other one is, here we go. So a couple of the other tools here, and I'll wrap it up here. The mobile app, so we have a fully branded mobile app that's available in the iTunes, Google Play stores. It's branded to your firm, mirrors the client portal in form and function. So if you turned off certain capabilities for certain clients, they'll only see the capabilities that you've enabled for them. And then a couple of the other tools that are pretty cool, you can actually check them out on our website, Deliver and Engage. Engage is the ability to make a video statement, so you make a general video, and then you can overlay reporting information right on top of that video, blast it out to your clients, and it looks like you've created a video specifically for them. Deliver is basically an email version of that. You send an email out, has reporting elements directly in the email. It's pulling the data for that client based off that email address, and it's putting it right in the body of the email. So they don't have to see a statement. You can just send them, here's your value, here's your performance. If you want to go further, they can. So like I mentioned, our booth is back there. We have integrations with pretty much all the technology in this room, and we'd be happy to show you those, and look forward to speaking with you. Enjoy the conference.